How to clear cache on WhatsApp. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily clear the WhatsApp cache on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to General. Once in the General, then select iPhone Storage. In the iPhone Storage, there are various apps in the list that are in your device. Scroll down the list until you find WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp on the WhatsApp storage page. Tap Offload App. This will free up the storage used by the app while keeping all your data intact. Once the offload process is complete, tap Reinstall App to download and restore the app's core data files. This process can also help fix bugs or errors you may encounter with the WhatsApp app. That's how you can clear the WhatsApp cache on your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. That's all for the video.